Hi there, I'm doing a quick little mic test thanks to the mic lab that my friend Ian loaned me. Thank you so much. And I'm also doing a quick little level set about the series. It's more about the process that led me here. And hopefully I'm not alone in this feeling, but one of my thing is that I have a bit of paralysis when it comes to perfection. I don't want to get started until all my ducks are in a row, until I mitigate all the risk and that it's planned perfectly and there's not going to be any problems. And that's definitely holds me back quite a bit. I had to overcome that personal obstacle that I put on myself to even get started on this. And it's definitely in itself took some time, but I had to accept the fact that I'm not going to know everything the first time, and it won't be perfect the first time. And you know what? That's okay. I mean, no one ever, well, I should say no one. Maybe you're like a savant and a prodigy. I'm not one of those people, but I just had to get past that and not let that be my story anymore. And so I had to accept that things, will be a work in progress, including myself, and that I'm learning as I go. And the only way that I'll learn is from just trying something, seeing what worked and what didn't work, and then next time having the opportunity to do it differently or do it better, and allowing that space for that to happen. Because those gaps of when you're trying to figure things out, those gray areas, that's where your biggest growth is. That's where you have those very influential teaching and learning moments. And I shouldn't cheat myself out of those opportunities. And so I'm giving myself permission to move into just learning a lot of things that I'm not going to feel comfortable until I get a chance to try it. And so, to be very transparent, it's not going to be the highest production. It's not going to be always, seamlessly planned. But that's okay because I can only get better. So I'm really excited for this, and also just hopefully if there's anyone out there who's just like wanting to do something that they really love or are afraid to get started, I feel you, and I totally understand, and you're not alone. So thank you for joining me on this journey, and I'll just figure it out as I go. Thanks. Bye.